Hi, this is Patrick Durkin from the Wellness Enterprise, and I'm going to teach you how to install the UMH Water Remineralizer. When you receive it, it comes in a tube like this. It's got lids like this on either end. You open it up, and you're going to find four parts. The device, and then the little pieces that I'll show you in a second. First thing to notice is where it says right on here, flow, and the arrow pointing in the direction. This is the direction that water goes. And what you do is, if you're going to be installing with a flexible tube, you grab this John Guest Quick Connect part and you thread it into the top and you thread it into the bottom. You're now ready to install. Flexible tube like this can be clear, can be white, can be copper. If you get a filter from us, we include a nice big piece like this. Whatever else you're working with this mineralizer, you're going to have some 1/4 inch flexible tubing. If you have 3/8, you need to reduce it to 1/4. And when you're ready, you just push the 1/4 inch line in like that, and you notice it doesn't come out. And now you are able to put water through this. So you simply put it in line with where your water's flowing under your sink. Usually it'll be filter first, then remineralize, then a structuring device if you have all three of the pieces. If not, you can put a mineralizer like this on any water line. You just push a flexible tube in each end. So that's how you install the remineralizer. And sometimes people have the remineralizer with our UMH device, and if that's you, then you unscrew this and you screw in this piece that's included with the remineralizer. This is the fourth piece that's included. So you can have a flexible tube going in, and then you can put a UMH device right here, like this. So they'll just screw together. So if you're using the remineralizer this way, use this gold piece. If you're using it with any other system, use it with both of these. That's how you install the remineralizer.